Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a product that has inventory but shows as sold out in Shopify. This is a frustrating issue that can cost you sales, but fortunately, it's usually just a location settings problem that's easy to resolve. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your store's admin dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen and click on Products. This section houses all the items you're selling and allows you to manage their details, pricing, and inventory settings. Clicking here will open up your full product catalog. Next, scroll through your products and click on the specific product that's showing as sold out, even though you know you have inventory. This will open up the product's detail page where you can see all its information and settings. Now focus on the inventory section of the product page. Here's where you'll likely spot the issue. In my case, I can see that my inventory is assigned to US location, but I don't have any inventory showing for shop location. This mismatch is often what causes products to appear sold out when they actually have stock available. The issue is that your sales channel is pulling from one location, but your inventory is sitting in another. To fix this, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is your central hub for configuring how your Shopify store operates, including payment methods, shipping, and crucially, your location settings. Once you're in Settings, on the left side panel, click on Locations. This is where you manage all the physical or virtual locations where you store inventory. Shopify uses these locations to track where your products are and which ones are available for fulfillment. In the Locations section, click on US or whichever location is holding your inventory. This will open up the settings for that specific location, allowing you to control how it functions within your store's ecosystem. Here's the key step. Look for the toggle button next to fulfillment and click it to turn it on. Enabling fulfillment for this location tells Shopify that inventory stored here can be used to fulfill customer orders. Without this enabled, Shopify won't recognize that location's inventory as available for sale. After toggling fulfillment on, click the Save button at the top of the page. This confirms your changes and updates your store's settings. Give it a moment to process, and your inventory should now be properly connected to your sales channels. And that's it. Your product should no longer appear as sold out since Shopify now recognizes the inventory at your fulfillment-enabled location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.